Well, Ashley and Brian, this hearing is taking several days because there is a lot to get into with this. Attorneys are diving into this development agreement that was made almost a decade ago, and it addresses 400 acres in Bee Cave, which includes the site of the facility that they're fighting about. Now, the city of Bee Cave and developers for nearby homes argue that the construction of this facility is not in line with what was agreed upon in their initial development agreement. They're worried about what looks to be 80 18-wheeler bays on the site, but the developers continue to argue that the building is for commercial use, not industrial, so they say it doesn't break that original agreement. They also still claim that they did not need approval from the city because they had it from Travis County and other government agencies. Now, today, an investor in the project and the site engineer testified about the changes that have been made to the facility plans over the last several years.
And there was some testimony today that really raised questions about what the priority was. And as far as maximizing profit versus safety, that's the question that I think the judge has to decide on today.
Attorneys for the developers called Wheelock said they would not be speaking to the media until after the judge makes a decision. And as for when that's going to happen, we are still figuring that out. I actually just heard a minute ago that they're not going to be doing closing arguments, but the judge still has some questions for both sides, so they're going to be answering those via email. Not sure when that is supposed to take place. We will give you all the updated information as soon as we find that out. But again, this is just a minute's decision. Everyone seems to be walking out of the courtroom right now, but we will keep you posted with the latest. Live at the Travis County Courthouse, Malia Masamoto, KVUE News.